Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to use a custom install.esd or install.wim file. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Using a custom install.esd or custom install.wim file is a straightforward process. Here are the steps you need to follow. Get your custom install.wim or custom install.esd file ready. In this case Pro 11, install.wim. If you have an ISO file, open it with any burn application using the Edit Image File option. If you have Windows installation media, such as a Windows USB drive, connect it to the PC. Navigate to the Sources folder. Within the ISO file, or USB drive, find the original install.wim or install.esd file and delete it. Copy your custom install.wim or custom install.esd file to the Sources folder of your Windows installation media, for example, Pro 11, install.wim. Rename the custom install.wim or custom install.esd file to install.wim or install.esd. In this case, rename Pro 11, install.wim to install.wim. If you are using a custom install.esd, for example Pro 11, install.esd, then rename it to install.esd. This should help you use your custom installation files with your Windows installation media. It's important to test the Windows ISO file or the Windows USB drive on a virtual machine before using it to install Windows on an actual machine to ensure there are no problems. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.